My gas stove ran out of fuel. The electricity went out, and I realized it was time to find another way to cook and stay warm without relying on modern appliances. That's when I started reusing old tin cans instead of throwing them away. Tin cans are everywhere, easy to find, lightweight, and surprisingly useful in emergency situations. Reusing them not only saves money, but also helps reduce waste and protect the environment. Here, I'm carefully cutting and drilling the cans to turn them into a simple emergency stove. Experience shows that the spacing between the holes is crucial because it allows for even airflow, making the flame stronger and more stable. Next, I found a small old metal box and reused the flat sheet metal to make a funnel and air duct for the stove. I slowly cut, shaped, and adjusted each part by hand. It may not be perfect, but in a real emergency, practicality is more important than looks. The good thing is that these recycled metal parts are very durable and can be reused many times. Now let's assemble the stove and see how it performs in real-world conditions. For fuel, I prefer using steel wool combined with alcohol because it ignites easily, burns for a long time, and produces strong radiant heat. This combination helps the stove maintain a very stable flame. As you can see, the stove burns surprisingly strongly even with such simple materials. The flame is stable, the heat spreads evenly, and the water boils very quickly. I even checked the temperature, and the amount of heat emitted was much higher than expected for a stove made from recycled tin cans. What I like most is that this stove is compact and freestanding. You can take it almost anywhere for camping, survival situations, emergencies or power outages, and still be able to cook or stay warm without relying on gas or electricity. Just remember, when using a homemade stove like this, always be careful with fire. Use them in well-ventilated areas and follow proper fire safety precautions.